Here are instructions for resolving iOS challenges and for performing some common tasks on an iPhone screen record. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner on iPhone models with Face ID, or swipe up from the bottom on iPhone models with a Home button. In the Control Center, tap on the screen recording button. It looks like a circle inside a circle. A countdown of 3 seconds will appear, after which the recording will start. You'll see a red status bar at the top of the screen indicating the recording is in progress. To stop the recording, tap on the red status bar, or you can return to the Control Center and tap on the screen recording button again. Factory reset. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Select Erase all content and settings. You might be prompted to enter your passcode and Apple ID password. Confirm the reset by tapping on Erase iPhone. Note that this will erase all data on your iPhone, so make sure to back up important information before proceeding. Connect to Apple Watch. Make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are both turned on and in close proximity. On your iPhone, open the Watch app. Tap on Start Pairing or pair Apple Watch manually if prompted. Use your iPhone's camera to scan the pattern displayed on your Apple Watch's screen. Once the pairing process starts, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. When prompted, choose to either set up your Apple Watch as new or restore from a backup.
Unlocking a lock screen. If your iPhone is locked and you have forgotten the passcode, you will need to follow the instructions provided by Apple to reset or restore your device. You can find detailed steps on Apple's support website or contact Apple support directly for assistance. Focus. iOS 15 introduced a new feature called Focus, which allows you to customize your notifications and choose which apps and people can interrupt you at specific times. To set up focus mode, go to Settings Focus. Tap on Create a new focus and choose the type of focus you want to create, for example, personal, work. Customize the settings for that focus mode, such as selecting allowed notifications and apps. Once you've set up a focus mode, you can enable it from the Control Center or schedule it to activate automatically during certain times. Phone location tracking. iPhone has a built-in feature called Find My that allows you to track your device's location if it's lost or stolen. Make sure you have enabled Find My iPhone in your device settings. Settings greater than, your name, greater than Find My iPhone. To track your iPhone, you can sign into your iCloud account on a computer or use the Find My app on another Apple device. From there, you can view the location of your iPhone on a map, play a sound to locate it, remotely lock it, or even erase its data if necessary. Screen freezing. If your iPhone screen is frozen and unresponsive, try force restarting it. The procedure varies depending on the iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button together until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier, as well as iPod Touch, press and hold both the home button and the top or side button until the Apple logo appears. If the screen continues to freeze, you may need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. Overheating, quick battery drain, water damage. If your iPhone is overheating or experiencing quick battery drain, it's essential to identify the cause. Try the following troubleshooting steps. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. Disable features like location services, push email, and background app refresh if they're not needed. Restart your iPhone to clear any temporary issues. Update your iOS to the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and optimizations. If your iPhone has water damage, immediately power it off and do not attempt to charge it. Instead, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. Remember, for complex issues or hardware-related problems, it's always best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional assistance tailored to your specific situation. Unable to sync. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Make sure you are using the latest version of iTunes on your computer, if syncing via iTunes, or the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Check the USB cable you're using for any damage. Try using a different USB cable or port. Restart your iPhone and the computer you're syncing with. Disable any security software or firewall on your computer temporarily and try syncing again. If you're using iCloud for syncing, ensure that you're signed in with the same Apple ID on both your iPhone and the computer.
Wi-Fi connectivity. Verify that your Wi-Fi router is functioning correctly and other devices can connect to it. Ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled on your iPhone, settings greater than Wi-Fi. Forget the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone by going to Settings greater than Wi-Fi, selecting the network, and tapping Forget this network. Then reconnect to the network. Restart your iPhone and Wi-Fi router. Reset network settings on your iPhone by going to Settings greater than General greater than Reset network settings. Note that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and other network settings, so you'll need to re-enter them. Slow user interface. Close unnecessary background apps. Double-click the Home button or swipe up from the bottom on iPhones without a Home button to access the app switcher and swipe up on the app windows to close them. Free up storage space on your iPhone by deleting unused apps, photos, and videos. You can check your storage usage in Settings greater than General greater than iPhone storage. Disable unnecessary visual effects and reduce transparency in Settings greater than Accessibility greater than Display and Text size greater than Reduce transparency. Restart your iPhone by powering it off and on again. If the problem persists, consider updating to the latest iOS version or contacting Apple support for further assistance. Remember to always keep your iPhone and apps updated to the latest versions, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can address these issues.